Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on their evolutionary journey. 432 Hertz. Frequencies govern the universe. There are many frequencies that can play a tremendous role in our everyday lives. But there is a frequency that is known as the frequency of the universe. It is also known as the Ohm of the earth. And that frequency is 432 Hertz. Throughout our lives, we become disharmonious with nature. We become disharmonious with the universe. And we should always be connected to the source energy of the universe. And as we go throughout our everyday lives, this disconnection can result in mental and physical health decline. Over time, we need to recalibrate our body. There are many frequencies that have a positive effect on our body. 432 Hertz is a frequency that can be utilized to help restore our body and heal and reconnect to source or universe. A lot of times we could come out and ground to the planet, but sometimes another way without coming outside is 432 Hertz, a frequency that we could sleep with on, and that will result in deep healing. We could heal the body through vibrational synchronization. Vibrational synchronization is an important bit of consciousness that I came across in my journey, and I would like to share that with all of you. Vibrational synchronization, a system can recalibrate itself through other vibrations, and we are vibrating, we are a vibrational system. So knowing this and understanding and thinking in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration, like Nikola Tesla, we can understand and recalibrate ourselves when we are conscious of these hidden knowledges or secrets of vibration. So 432 Hertz is a frequency that can help restore and reconnect your body so that we can function the way that we are supposed to function. We are vibrational systems. So being conscious of 432 Hertz, the Ohm of the universe, the planet, some people are able to produce the Ohm sound. Me personally, that is not something that I like to do, but I do like to be in nature, and I do like to sleep with frequencies on to help recalibrate the body. So 432 Hertz. If this seems interesting to you, look into 432 Hertz and synchronize your vibration to the universe. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious of frequencies, especially 432 Hertz. Raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism, the electric universe. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. I am Michael. Find us in the 5th dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. The truth cannot be told. It can only be realized.